Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you own the file or have permission. This is essential to stay legal and ethical. Once confirmed, open the PDF in a trusted editor like Acrobat Pro and enter the current password when prompted. Make sure you note whether it's an owner password or a user password, because that determines the removal method. Now that the document is unlocked in your editor, move directly to the document or protection settings to remove security. Don't create extra copies yet. Once the file is open and unlocked, go to the security settings. In Acrobat, use File Property Security or Tools Protect Encrypt. Select No Security or Remove Security and supply the known password to confirm the change. The editor will strip encryption from the current session. Make sure to use a desktop, trusted application rather than random websites, because uploading sensitive documents risks exposure. After removal, the editor will reflect that permissions and password prompts are gone. Finish by saving a fresh copy using File Save as so your original remains untouched until verified. Once saved, close and reopen the new file to confirm it opens without password prompts, and that printing, copying, or editing behave as expected. If you cannot remove the password because it is unknown, try password recovery tools only on files you own or contact the document owner. Avoid risky online removal services that can leak data. That single troubleshooting step prevents most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.